Most people think you need money to make money, but that couldn't be further from the truth. If you have a car, you're already sitting on income, on some money. If I lost everything today and I only had a car, here's exactly how I would make money starting this week. I'm breaking this down step by step. No fake passive income stuff, nothing like that. These are real ways you can start making money this week with just your car. What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Rick. Like always, driving around talking about money. And in today's video, we're going to be talking about how with just a car you have some money. So let's just get right into it. Step number one. This is how you can get like quick cash. First thing I would do is I would sign up for Uber, sign up for DoorDash, Instacart, Lyft, something like that, and start doing deliveries, and start driving people around. I know this isn't a long-term strategy, but this will get you money flowing fast. And I know it's not sexy, but if you're broke, it isn't either. So I would rather just be driving around people, delivering their food. Who cares about how I look right now? The plan is to make some money right now. Step number two, flip your car into a money machine. And this is where it changes. Let me tell you why. Because now what you can do is rent your car out to people who may need it for a day or two. And I'm talking about private rentals, or even easier if you use Turo. In my opinion, that's what I would use. People rent cars on Turo all the time, and these are people that rent these cars are persons like you and me renting out their cars. One car can make you way more than driving it yourself in one day. I can tell you that much. It's either one of two things. You can do one of two things. You can either drive it all day for Uber, Lyft, or whatever, or let your car work for you. Now that we're talking about this, you should actually be able to stack these. Rent your car part-time, and then on the days that you don't need the car or it's not being rented, drive it. You can do it part-time, everything. Rent it part-time, drive it part-time. Offer rides to the airport. I don't know. Do something. Just if you can stack them, that would be way better than just doing one. Just that way you're not relying on just one kind of income. Us car owners, like myself and you, if you have a car, I think most of us do, should think of as our car as an asset. I know most of us think as a car as a liability. We maintenance, insurance, gas, we spend money on our cars. But if you can find a way to make money, then it turns a liability into an asset. Your car shouldn't just cost you money, it should pay you money. If you have a separate car that you're not using, that would be the optimal car to use for this. If you're watching this and you have a car, you have zero excuses not to make money. Nothing should be stopping you from going out there and start delivering food for people, driving people around, or renting your car out. Especially if you have a separate car that you can use specifically for these kind of things, like that's golden. If I had to start all over, that's what I would do. That's gonna be it for today's video. I just wanted to come out here and make a quick video for you guys and show you that you can make money using your car. So if you like the video, consider subscribing, of course. If you like this kind of content. I drive and talk about money all the time. So that's gonna be it. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.